Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Avalanche, AVAX, from Bitmart to your Tangem wallet. If you're looking to secure your crypto or just manage your assets better, this 2025 update will make the process a breeze. I'm excited to walk you through it step by step, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Bitmart account with AVAX in your portfolio and a Tangem wallet already configured on your device. Double-check that your Tangem wallet is connected and you've got the Avalanche network selected. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your Avalanche holdings. It should be listed under your assets. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw option for AVAX. Next, you'll need to enter your Tangem wallet address. Open your Tangem wallet app, go to the Receive section, and select Avalanche. Copy that address carefully. Double-check for any typos because that's a common mistake that can lead to lost funds. Now, back on Bitmart, paste the address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees. Bitmart might ask for a two-factor authentication code, so have that ready. Review everything one last time, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification shortly. After initiating the transfer, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour for the AVAX to show up in your Tangem wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Avalanche's official site. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer AVAX from Bitmart to Tangem wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets like Tangem, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.